Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here, Peterson Electric. Got a customer here. It's got a really nice house. It's a 4-car garage basically. They wanted us to just add 2 circuits. Panel was out here. So we were able to drill through the bottom of it and put a lock washer with a piece of EMT about 8 inches long. Able to come right into this box and seal this. And this is circuit 37 with a GFCI. And we piped 1/2 inch all the way around, hit a junction there, split it off. This is circuit 37 as well, circuit 37 and then circuit 39. This is for our central vac. He's either gonna get it, the guy to put it here next week or right here, but you have to have a dedicated circuit. So I just went ahead and put a disconnect there for them. It is GFCI protected. You do have the GFCI protect as well all the way around. And if I hit this, this will go off with that over there. You hear it pop. This right here, you're probably wondering why it didn't come off of here. Well, because that's already tied to a couple other things around the house, including that fridge around the corner. So we kind of wanted to dedicate it. If you are pulling your wires this way, I did use 12 gauge THW and -2 rating. And I did pull 2 neutrals just to give you a key on that, because if you don't, you're going to regret that. You'll spend more money on GFCIs on every opening than you would just pulling another conductor. So anyways, guys, yeah, so set skirt connectors. I could have flexed it an MC cable and ran a 12-4, but I kind of just decided that I felt like the EMT would look better, especially with all the distance and the bends. So this took me probably about 6 hours to get everything piped, pulled in, terminated, tested. A lot of you guys want to know what the pricing is. Sometimes we don't like to price things over the phone. Depends on the distance, how messy the garage can be, how much they want piped in here, what size of circuit, how many circuits, conductor size, especially as copper changes, EMT as well. Anytime we get past 1 inch, which is your foot bender, we get into 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches. Now we're into Chicago bender. So a lot of that can differ and change. Sometimes this stuff can be based on $10 a linear to $12 a linear foot, based on 5 conductors in that conduit and 2 people to do the work, plus your GFCIs, boxes, breakers, sub panel if that's needed, other things like that are not included, of course. But it gives them a general idea as they measure it and decide over the phone how many they want, and kind of gives them an idea of price. This was about 80 foot total, so plus all the devices, of course. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining us. We're in Northern Colorado. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks.